Good morning, students. Yesterday we were studying about articles a and we were seeing some examples. Correct or not? Which were those examples? This is an ant. Correct. Second one is what? This is a horse. Third one example which we studied is what? This is a cock. And fourth example which we studied is this is an igloo. Now we are going to study fifth, sixth, seventh and eighth example. What we are going to do? We are going to study fifth, sixth, seventh and eighth example. Okay. Today is what date? Today is 18/7/2020. That is Saturday. Now fifth sentence which we are going to study is this is dash temple. Sixth example, this is dash bell. Seventh example, this is dash umbrella. And eighth one example which is given here is this is dash or onion. This is dash onion. Now how many examples are there before you? There are four examples which I have shown you. It is written on the board, and look here, with the help of pictures it is told. Okay, I am showing you picture. Look at the pictures and fill in the blanks with a or an. Okay, so fifth sentence which is there, this is temple, this is bell, this is umbrella and this is onion. Onion means what? Kanda, right? Bell means what? Ghanti. Temple means what? Mandir. Umbrella means what in Marathi? It is called chhatri. So here now we are going to fill the blanks with articles. Not articles, we cannot say articles. Now here in your book it is not told they are articles. Here it is told, here we are going to fill the blanks with a and an. With what we are going to fill? A and an. Some places a we are going to fill and some places we are going to fill an. Now what is a and an? A is a word, A is a letter which we use before consonant words. The words which starts with consonants, we use before those words what? We use before those words A. And the words which starts with vowels, what do we use before those words? We use an before vowel words. Understood? A, E, I, O, U are vowels. B, C, D, F, G, H, I is not there. J, K, L, M, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y and Z. These all are what? These all are consonants. Before consonants we use A and before vowels we use an. Understood? Now here four sentences are given. What we have to do here is, this is dash temple. Now what temple? It is a temple. Why we are going to write a temple? Because T is what? T is consonant. T काय आहे? T हा शब्द किंवा लेटर काय आहे? तो कॉन्सोनंट आहे. कॉन्सोनंटच्या अगोदर आपण कोणतं लेटर वापरणार आहे? A. Which letter we are going to use? We are going to use A letter. Understood? Why? Because T is consonant. It is not vowel. T is what? T is consonant. It is not vowel. Sixth example which is given here is this is a bell. Now bell word starts with B letter. Bell हा शब्द कशापासून स्टार्ट होतो? B हा लेटर बेल हा शब्द B पासून start होतो, right? B is what? Consonant. Then before consonant what we use? We use A. Understood? Why? Because A is what? A is an article which is used before consonant words. So I'm writing here A. This is a bell. Okay. Seventh one example which is given here is, this is dash umbrella. Now umbrella is what? Umbrella starts with U letter. Umbrella letter starts with U letter. Then before vowels we use an. Before vowels we use an, and umbrella word starts with which letter? U letter. U letter is what vowel? A, E, I, O, U. umbrella शब्द कशापासून स्टार्ट होतो? यू लेटर पासून स्टार्ट होतो, म्हणून काय इथं कोणता येणार आहे? आर्टिकल, अँड आर्टिकल येणार आहे. अंडरस्टूड? नेक्स्ट example which is given here is, this is dash onion. Onion means what? Kanda. This is a dash onion. Now which onion? Which article will come here? A will come or an will come? Yes, very good. An will come. Why an will come? Because an article is used before vowels. Onion हा शब्द कोणत्या लेटर पासून स्टार्ट झालेला आहे? ओ लेटर पासून स्टार्ट झालेला आहे. तो ओ हा लेटर काय आहे? ओ हा लेटर vowel आहे. समजला? So we are going to write here an. This is an onion. This is an onion. In this way, we have completed our lesson number 8 of English grammar, A and an. Okay. I want to repeat once again. I will repeat once again. What is A and an? A and an. A and an are used when we speak of one person, place, animal. A and an are used when we speak of one person, place, animal, bird, or thing. An is written when the first letter of the noun is a vowel. And कधी वापरला जातो? फर्स्ट लेटर कोणता असतो? नाउनचा व्हॉवेल असतो, राईट? इथे आहे का व्हॉवेल्स? व्हॉवेल्स आर देयर आउट हियर. येस, यू इज व्हॉवेल, ओ इज व्हॉवेल. सो बिफोर व्हॉवेल, the first letter, if the first letter of the noun is vowel, then what we are writing? We are writing an before it. Here it is written A, E, I, O, U, vowels. Correct? An apple, an orange, an egg. Now A is written when the first letter of the noun is consonant. Now wherever consonant is there, now temple is what? Consonant. Bell is what? Consonant. Correct? Temple T consonant. Bell B consonant. So here it is told that before consonant, if the noun is a consonant, then before that we use A. And we have done 8 examples. Yesterday we completed 4 examples, and today we have completed remaining 4 examples. And these 4 examples remaining which are left, that you have to write down in your English grammar notebook. Okay? See here now. Look at the pictures and fill in the blanks with A or an. This is an ant. This is a horse. This is a cock. This is an igloo. This is a temple. This is a bell. This is an umbrella. This is an onion. In this way, we have completed our lesson. What was the name of our lesson? A and an. Keep in mind, A letter is used before consonant. Nouns which have first letter consonant, and the nouns which have first letter vowel, before that we use what? We use an. Keep in mind, don't forget, and you should know which letters are vowels, which letters are consonants. You have to keep in mind which letters are vowels, which letters are consonants. Okay? Consonants are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. They are consonants. A, E, I, O, U are vowels. In this way, we have completed our lesson. Please complete these 8 sentences in your English grammar notebook. Okay. We will start with now textbook. We are going to start with textbook. Your question answers are not over. We are going to write down all question answers of all lessons from first lesson till the lesson which we have completed. We are going to write down question answers of all lessons. Okay. Thank you.